Let's learn how to use SANS AI. Double-click the icon to enter the software. We can switch languages here. Enter the account admin and the password 123. Enter the relevant information of the experiment here. Select video source. We can conduct the analysis online or analyze the offline experimental videos. Select the tracking points for the animals. Our software comes with some predefined experimental templates, which can be modified according to specific experiments. Move the entire area. The up and down keys on the keyboard can enlarge or shrink the area, while the left and right keys are used to rotate the area. After confirming the area, we can drag the yellow dot to modify the area. Then draw the scale. We input the actual length here. Click here, and we can apply the preset pattern to the remaining areas. Then comes the detection settings. We have 5 detection methods along with their usage instructions. We choose the first one. Conduct the experiments using white mice, choosing brighter than the background. We draw the outlines of the animals and click Confirm. We can adjust these values in the lower left corner to achieve a better tracking effect. Entering the minimum value of the object size can help us eliminate other items that may affect the experiment. We can customize the start or end time of the experiment according to our own needs here. We can select the process that we want to add from the left side or delete to remove the process. Click Save. We can view the list of experiments here. Click here to add experimental variable, such as animal gender, group, etc. Then comes the experimental capture. Click Start to begin the experiment. At the bottom, we can set whether to display or hide the observation area. We can see that the collection is complete. Click on the trajectory settings and select the experiment. Select Connecting Line. We can see the real-time experimental data on the right side and optimize the experimental data on the left side. We can set up manually record here. Click Analysis and name it. Then, set the experimental process that needs to be analyzed. Select the name of the experiment. Then we set the experimental parameters that need to be analyzed. Click Results, select the trial and calculate. We can observe the experimental data presented in the table. It also includes pictures and tables between groups. Click here and select the experiment to generate a picture of the animal's trajectory. We modify the parameters on the right according to our experimental requirements to obtain different image effects. Similarly, the experimental heat map is also processed in the same way. Click here to export the data. We can also export all the data here. This is the operation of our SANS AI.